Ways to build confidence. Many successful people attribute their success to their feeling of self and confidence. However, few people truly describe how to develop confidence or how to get confidence. It's difficult because confidence is based on a variety of factors, but in general, it's based on choices and accomplishments that fuel your passion and make you feel happy and proud of who you are. One of the most worthwhile endeavors in your life is to discover these things. Here are 10 methods to start boosting your self-esteem. 1. Get things done. Accomplishment breeds confidence. You will feel a lot better about yourself if you achieve minor and large goals. It starts with your daily objectives. What do you need to accomplish today, as well as every day this week or 3 days this week, to help you reach your goal? If you fulfill your daily goals, you'll likely hit your weekly and monthly goals as well, bringing you closer to your biannual and annual objectives. Keep in mind that improvement is slow and that major changes do not occur suddenly. You'll feel confident in taking on a large job and setting an ambitious goal since you know you can do it. Make a goal for yourself and follow through. 2. Monitor your progress. The easiest strategy to achieve your big or small goals is to split them down into smaller ones and track your progress. Whether you're hoping to get promoted, obtain a better job, get into graduate school, change careers, eat healthier, or lose 10 pounds, keeping track of your progress is the greatest way to determine if you're making progress. Write down whatever your goal is, and try to quantify your achievements, the number of applications you're submitting to jobs or graduate schools, what you're eating, and how much you're exercising. It will keep you on track, and you will gain confidence as you monitor your progress in real time. 3. Do the right thing. Most self-assured people have a set of values that they live by and make decisions based on, even when it's difficult and not in their best interests, but in the larger good. Your character is defined by your actions and decisions. Ask yourself what you would do if you were the best version of yourself, and then do it. Even though it's difficult and the last thing you want to do, and it requires a short-term sacrifice on your part, you'll like yourself more and be prouder of who you are in the long run. 4. Exercise. Exercise enhances memory retention, improves focus, helps manage stress, and reduces depression, among other benefits. It's harder to be anxious when you don't have any extra energy, because exercise helps every part of your life, except from being difficult and uncomfortable at times. So keep active and schedule time for self-care. 5. Be fearless. Failure isn't your enemy, it's the fear of failure that holds you back. You'll feel overwhelmed if you set large objectives and have big desires, and you'll inevitably feel like you can't do it. In those moments, you must look within yourself, muster all of your bravery, and simply keep going. Every tremendously successful person has been terrified, but they've worked hard and taken risks regardless because the goal they're pursuing is more vital and urgent than their fear of failing. Consider how badly you want to attain your objective, then set your fears aside and take one day at a time. 6. Stand up for yourself. When someone tells you that your goal is dumb or that you can't achieve it when you're just starting out, it's easy to believe them because they're adding to the chorus of doubts in your head. You reason logically, how can I be correct when this person and all my uncertainties in my thoughts tell me I can't do it? That this concept is absurd. You must also inform those folks, particularly the voices in your head, that they are incorrect. You have it in you, so tell them you believe in your objective and in yourself, and that you will achieve it. Never let anyone tell you that you don't deserve what you want. 7. Follow through. People admire people who claim they'll do something and then follow through. More significantly, if you declare you're going to do something and then follow through, you'll gain confidence in yourself because you'll know you're not afraid of the task. Your words will have more significance if you take action, and it will help you achieve your goals, develop your relationships, and feel proud of who you are. 8. Think long-term. Decisions made for short-term comfort that obstruct long-term goals are at the root of unhappiness. If you're trying to save money, you can't go out to eat as much. If you're studying for the GMAT or LSATs, you can't go out with friends as often. If you're trying to lose weight, you can't eat French fries as often, and so on. Big ambitions necessitate big sacrifices. You must dig deep and be extremely disciplined. It is tedious and frustrating at the present, and it makes life substantially more difficult, but it will pay off, and the pride you will experience will be well worth it. You must decide whether your immediate comfort is more important than your long-term objectives. However, remember that long-term goals will provide you considerably more enjoyment than short-term comfort. 9. Don't care what others think. Many individuals will tell you that you will never be able to achieve your goal. People will attempt to tell you your goal is too great, or that you're not ready, or that you can't do it, or that it's never been done before, etc. Whether it's rejection from employers, schools, or just bad input from friends or family, and you must not listen to them. You must be determined. While they may tell you that the chances are stacked against you, keep in mind that most people are wrong about the majority of things. Every day, people alter the world despite the fact that everyone around them tells them they can't. You can do it if you believe you can. Don't pay attention to them. Believe in yourself and keep going. 10. Do more of what makes you happy. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Is it to get outside, hike, kayak, and take in the scenery? Or do you prefer to lie on your couch and watch all of the great television available? Create space for anything you enjoy because life is short and you need time to enhance and recharge to be your best self.